Hi guys, it's Serenity.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na na na.
So today I think I'm just gonna dye my wig. Um, right now it's just like a dark brown, but I kind of want to ombre it to like maybe like a lighter brown. This is kind of impulsive. I got home from work today. I'm like, maybe I should just dye my hair because I'm tired of the brown like I always do. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into that. Hopefully nothing goes wrong because this is my only one, but as of right now. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna use. I have the bleach, the 40 developer, dye brush, aluminum foil, powder brush, comb, then a bowl to like mix this stuff in with. So hopefully this goes well. So here goes nothing. I'll put a picture up of kind of like what I want to get done. Hopefully it turns out well. It should. I mean, I've dyed my hair before. It was like a lighter brown into like a blonde, which is really cute. So hopefully this turns out good. You know, it's a good fall color, good Thanksgiving coming up. So you never know. It could turn out good. So this is the before. This is simple brown. Nothing special about it. And then when I come back, hopefully it's like this picture. Wish me good luck. love the color. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay, so I'm very happy with it. I didn't do a toner or anything. I didn't want to lose like the brownish, bronzy color that toner would take out. Wow. I love it. Yeah, I think it's really good for like a fall and everything. So I hope you guys learned from my video. Because mine turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Wow. So I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like